Changing your payout method on Fribourgeoise Kantonalbank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Fribourgeoise Kantonalbank website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Payout Method. Within the account settings, find the option labeled Payout Method of Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Choose New Payout Method. Select the option to add or change your payout method. You may need to provide details for the new method, such as bank account information or payment service details. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout method details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Fribourgeoise Kantonalbank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.